Hello, how is everybody doing now that we're starting to get back to what we call the new normal? What have you been doing this whole time during the quarantine? What have you been doing to keep from getting stir crazy? Maybe you became crafty. Maybe you got to some of those projects you've been meaning to do for years and years. Maybe you took a master class. All these big stars are teaching you how to do their craft. So I'm going to show you what it's like to take a master class from Gordon Ramsay. You know, Gordon Ramsay, that chef guy who likes to yell a lot and throw everybody out of his kitchen. So I had heard from a friend's next door neighbors, uncles, dogs, veterinarians, receptionists, friend that when interviewing chefs for Gordon Ramsay's restaurants, he has them make two things. One is scrambled eggs, just to see how you do it, and the other is toast. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to make toast in the spirit of Gordon Ramsay. Okay, so let's get started. First, you need bread. Duh. But not just any kind of bread. This toast has to be spectacular and unique. So we need 27 grain bread. This bread is 27 grain bread. It has so many grains in it that it actually looks like white bread, but it's not. It has 27 grains. Milled for days with 27 different whole, free-range, organic grains by stones made from 10,000-year-old Babylon rock. First, put it in the toaster. Then, take it out of the toaster. Don't burn your hands. Okay, it's time to butter it, but not just with any butter. Special butter on its own huge plate. This butter comes from rare Angkoran spotted cows from the hills of Chechnya. Now make sure your oven is preheated to 700 degrees Fahrenheit and then put the toast in the special pan and put it in the oven for 3 minutes. And to really make this toast pop, we need creme fraiche. Set your microwave to power 11 and put it in for 45 seconds. Not 44, never 44, and there's no 46 yet. I swear there was some butter here. I wonder what happened to it. If this was regular toast, we'd be done by now. But no, there's more. Heat up that grill. All right, so now it's back in the oven, out of the oven, back in the oven, out of the oven, into the microwave, out of the microwave, back in the oven, on the stovetop, back in the oven. Oh, and finally, back in the toaster. And there it is, toast. In the spirit of Gordon Ramsay. What do you think?
That looks great.
Want to try it?
No, you can try it.
No, you eat it.
No, I promise you can.
No, go ahead.
No, it's all good. You eat it.
Wait, let's get your mom.
That sounds good.